Did you know there's a place on Earth so hot and toxic that almost nothing can survive? This is the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia, one of the most extreme places on the planet. Here, temperatures reach 50 degrees Celsius 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Lakes are filled with acid, and the ground boils with toxic gases. Yet, despite the deadly conditions, scientists found microorganisms living in these acidic pools, life forms that survive where humans never could. Earth is full of secrets, and this one burns hotter than anywhere else.